Here we have the 2015 Ford Transit van. And this is an Explorer conversion. Comes in Oxford white on two-tone leather interior. It's got that 3.5 liter EcoBoost twin turbo engine. Made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission, putting out 310 horsepower, 400 pound-foot of torque. And this originally stickered for over $75,000. And right now at Chevy in Murfreesboro, you can get it for under 30. You've got your 16-inch aluminum wheels. And there's your power driver's seat. It's also heated. And there are your power windows and your power door locks. You've also got your power mirrors here. And onto the passenger side, you've also got power along with lumbar. It's also heated. And before we get to the goods, I'm gonna check out the back here. And this one's got a power folding rear seat. So what that allows you to do is fold it down and it becomes a sleeper. That's probably one of my favorite features, if not my favorite. So here we have the entertainment portion, which I'll go into detail about that. You've got your blinds, which you can just pull down, pull back up for privacy. Gonna hop in here. And we've got an Xbox hooked up right now. Made it to that Samsung TV. You've also got a Blu-ray player. And you've also got a Clarion sound system. And let's go back to probably my second favorite feature about this van. The power sunroof. I love that. And of course you've got USB charging ports throughout, cup holders, leather stitching. You've got a little dimmer here, so you can control that. Just so much going on here. And there are your rear AC controls. And you've got Bluetooth audio, a backup camera. There are your AC controls for the front. And then you've got wireless headphones in here too. And then you've even got your lights you control, especially at night. These are really cool. Just an awesome van. But now we're gonna go ahead and take it out on the road and see what the driving experience is like. Very smooth ride coming out the gate. And braking is pretty good too. I really like the seating position. You feel like you're in an RV or something like that, where you've got all the space to just, you know, no blind spots or anything like that. It's just really easy to see out of. And when you're driving something this long, it's definitely helpful to have that kind of visibility. And the turbo boost is really good too. Even though the vehicle's rather heavy, you know, it's a conversion van, so it's gonna be heavy. The 3.5 liter twin turbo really helps get this thing going. Yeah, passing power is fantastic. You don't feel like you're being weighed down by driving this big of a vehicle. It just drives normal. And these seats are really, really comfortable. So they'll definitely be good for your long road trips that you'll probably be using this for. You've got a little bit of wind noise, but nothing crazy. And it's a little bit louder because there's a storm coming in. And the mirrors that come on here are really, really good for just making sure that you're not about to hit anybody, especially coming around corners. We're gonna open it up here. Very, very great acceleration out of these. And there's something about having a turbocharged engine that just makes you feel like you're going super fast, even in a conversion van. But I can't say enough about the maneuverability in these. It's just, you don't feel like you're driving a super long van. You feel like you're driving just a regular old SUV, and that's only because of how high you're sitting. And the ride coming down this back road is just very plush, and that has a lot to do with the leather seats. And you know, for a vehicle that stickered for over $75,000 new, definitely every amenity has been checked off. one more. I'm gonna put the pedal down. Yeah, just crazy acceleration. Absolutely fantastic. And this one's got almost 77,000 miles on it, but I mean, you're saving over 50% from what this cost 5 years ago, and everything is still in great condition, including the fold down sofa, the TV, the Blu-ray player, everything. So that's my test drive of the 2015 Explorer conversion Transit van.